In this video, we're going to cover IP whitelisting for your Shape system. IP whitelisting is a security feature you can add. It is disabled by default, but is very useful if you have people working remotely and want to limit what IP addresses they have access to the system with. So in your settings, you will find IP whitelisting over here under users and permissions at the bottom. And the first thing you're going to want to do is just select what roles validation is going to apply to. So if it's only for users, leave out admins and managers. Uh, Maybe you only want it to apply to users and managers, but directors and admins can log in from whatever IP they want, etc. Then you only need to add new IPs. If you're not sure where to find your IP, or you need to get your IP from your employees, just have them Google what is my IP. It's the first option that pops up, and they'll give that to you, and you'll add it here. And then once you have all the IPs added, apply IP validation for login. Once this is turned on, anybody that does not have a validated IP here will not be able to log into the system. Hope this video helps. Let us know if you have any follow-up questions. We're more than happy to assist.